There is a world that's not so nice, but the people can be so bright. You know the birds, they sing all day, and they have a voice, a beautiful voice, and it sounds like we're meant to go. You say that I have zero goals. You call my name, you call me dark, 'cause I have unlocked freedom of art, and my words sound like hold on for a minute, I forgot something important, something so clean. Was that a word? I do not know, but I guess you do know what I meant for it to sound like, and it sounds like remember what I forgot to say. I forgot to say that we are so great, 'cause the world is killing us slowly. We're dying, we don't know what we can say. We know what we can always use, our wonderful voices that we all have, and it sounds like it sounds like the colors of the moon.